Hey guys, thanks so much for helping us get these masks done for the band. This is just a quick rundown of how to put them together. So in your bags, you're going to get all the supplies necessary for 20 masks. This is a setup for one mask. So we've got 2 of the back pieces, 2 of the front pieces, 2 ear pieces with the adjusters already on it, and the elastic for the sides. Okay? So the first thing you're going to do is lay the front and backs together like so. Pin it however you want to pin it. You're going to take these, stick them inside, and that's going to stick out on these sides right here. So when you sew it, the earpiece is already going to be inside. So as you sew, it'll get caught in there. Okay. So as you're sewing it, this is stretchy fabric, so just give it a little tug as you go. You don't have to make it too taut, but that way when they're putting it on and off, we're not going to pull against that thread, so it just gives it a little bit of extra cushion in there. Okay, you're going to sew around all 4 sides and leave a gap right here on the two edges. So you can see I've got my earpiece already inside there, and it's caught up in the corners right here. Use 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, whatever you're comfortable sewing to make sure that you catch all the way around the edges. And then when you're done, turn it out. Make sure to poke out all the corners like you would. Okay. Now that you've got your corners all poked out, it'll look something like this with your opening on the side where you turned it out. Overlap them on top of each other until they're about 7 inches. So the full mask width will be 7 inches. And then you're going to top stitch all the way around the mask, and that'll close our gap here and hold the pieces together. And then you're going to want to stitch down just this front flap right here. I'll show you that in a second. But only on the front, don't stitch down the back side. Okay, so this one was already stitched down. So you can see I've stitched all the way around it, and I stitched it closed right here. And the reason you don't do the back side is you need that so that it can open up nice and big. So that leaves that extra wiggle room there. Okay, so once you're at this point, you're going to take your 2 little pieces of elastic and you're going to sew them down the sides and stretch it as much as you can. What I do is I just get it started with a couple stitches, and then I stretch it as hard as I can and stitch the whole length. Make sure you back stitch at the front and back, top and bottom. And when you're done, we've got the sides that are gathered there, the front of the mask with a nice opening on it so the kids can play, and the ear adjusters that can adjust on the sides. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.